friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of 1 inch. What's the price change, what's the high price of 1 inch in the last 1 hour, 2 hour, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. I might wish to hit 3k subscriber. Please hit my 3k subscriber, and kindly if you listen my voice, I request you please dear subscribe my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of 1 inch. What's the price change occur in a 1 inch in the previous last 1 hour. First of all, we see the last 2 hour result of the 1 inch. As you can see here, absolutely good result of 1 inch, but unfortunately they falls down in the previous hour. That is why the changes is in negative. Now currently at this time they take a jump, but unfortunately if we see the currently situation of 1 inch, so now at this period they are falling down. So friends, if you are a 1 inch holder, so my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss, because at this time they are falling down. Their fall start in this time. So friends, if you see the changes is about negative 0.13% chance occur in the 1 inch in the previous last 2 hours. And if we see the high price of 1 inch, so it's about $4.33 is the high price of 1 inch in the previous last 2 hours. So friends, that is a live price prediction of last 2 hours. Now let's see the last 1 hour result of 1 inch in the previous last 1 hour. What's the change occur in the last 1 hour, we see in this video. Friends, as you can see now on the graph, it's clear that after jumping now currently at this period, as you can see here, after this point they are taking a falls down. Now currently it is falls down. Now at this time their fall starts. So my suggestion to sell it for more than because it goes wrong. As you can see here, they falls down, so you be safe from loss and sell it. What's your suggestion? That is only my suggestion. I'm not ordering you. If you want to sell it, sell it. If you want to buy it, buy it. If you want to hold it, hold it. Your opinion, your choice. As you can see here, the changes is about a positive 0.16% chance occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of about $4.33 is the high price of 1 inch. That is the live price prediction of 1 inch in the last 1 hour. In the last 2 hours, you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.